Journal controls serve two purposes in AX. First, to define which types of accounts can be posted to, such as customer, vendor, ledger, or bank. And second, to define which segments values are valid for that particular journal. For example, if the payroll journal entry should only allow posting to a subset of expense accounts and always offset to a specific bank account, you can configure the journal controls to prevent posting to other accounts from within that particular journal name. I'll show you how to set this up in AX now. Let's create some journal controls. I'll open up the Journal Names form, which is found in General Ledger underneath Setup, Journals, and then Journal Names. I'll select the journal name that we created together earlier, and then click the Journal Control button. Here, on the Which Account Types Can Be Posted, I'll click the Add button to select which account types are allowed. For this example, I'll use the USMF company and select Ledger in the Account Type field. Next, I'll save the record and then click the Add button on the which segment values are valid for this journal. Here, I'll select the account structure that contains the accounts that I want to control, and in the segment field, I'll select Main Account because I want to limit this to just a handful of main accounts that are specific to bank postings. In the From Value drop-down box, I'll do a search for the bank account expense fees. Here you can see are the bank card fees and the bank fee expenses. I want to allow both of these accounts, so I'll select the first account, and then in the To Value field, I'll enter the same account number. This indicates that only the one account number will be allowed. To allow additional accounts, I'll need to click the Add button and repeat this process. I'll select the account structure, choose the segment, and then in the From Value field, I'll search again. Here you can see the bank fee expense account. I'll select that, and then in the To Value, I'll enter the same account number. This will indicate that just these two individual main accounts will be allowed in this journal. I could continue repeating this process by clicking the Add button to add additional main accounts. It's important to note that you can also add various financial dimensions by selecting different segments in the drop-down box and then entering a From and To value. It's also possible to create ranges of bank accounts, customers, vendors, and so on.